Your time now is 8:12 on your Saturday morning, and I've got to tell you about this. Our severe weather outlook for today. The threat is highest along our western counties for this afternoon and evening. We have a level 3 or enhanced risk for severe weather. DFW included in a slight risk. That's a level 2. And just on the eastern side of that, a level 1. That's a marginal risk. Basically, we're going to look for storms to start along our west and try to progress to the east towards the I-35 corridor, but a lot of these storms are going to kind of fizzle out. The main concern today will be the potential for large hail and strong winds. There is a low isolated tornado threat, but the highest threat is going to be north. It's behind this banner here, but that's where a level 4 or moderate risk is, and that extends into Kansas. That is likely going to be upgraded later today. Now, here's what it looks like for us. We're going to start cloudy. In fact, between now and noon, it's going to stay pretty cloudy. We do clear out, and around 5, we'll start to see these storms develop out west. These storms, if they get their act together, could make it to Archer City, Graham around 7. At this point, they're losing the energy of sunlight, so we'll see these storms kind of decay the closer they get to the I-35 corridor. This is around 9, and a lot of this completely done by midnight tonight, and then we're looking clear. This morning, this is what it looks like. We have some lower level cloud. This is our Cedar Hill camera. It sits elevated, blue sky overhead, 70 degrees right now in Cedar Hill. At DFW, 73, feeling like 73, not dealing with a heat index just yet, and a very light wind. That light wind is what's allowing some fog to develop, especially to the west of DFW. This afternoon, expect the high temperature to make it to 92 degrees. That's about 5 degrees warmer than the normal for this time of the year. It'll be a little warmer along our western counties, about 91 in Denton, 92 in McKinney. But it'll feel like the triple digits just about everywhere across North Texas. You want to make sure to take those heat precautions. And those temperatures, by the way, even higher the more south you go into South Texas. Now, the heat index is going to be a factor for a majority of the weekend. This afternoon, it'll feel like 102. It'll feel like 102 on Sunday, but look at that high temperature, 98 degrees, 93 on Memorial Day Monday. Then we're looking at highs in the 80s come Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The heat index less of a factor at that point. Our severe weather outlook doesn't completely go away for Sunday, but it is much lower. In fact, most models don't have any storms forming on Sunday, but I want to let you know that areas northeast of DFW are under a slight risk. We could see some storms develop. There will be a strong cap in place, and if those storms develop, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts will be the main concern. Our 14-day forecast showing temperatures in the low 90s Saturday, upper 90s on Sunday, 93 degrees on Monday. Now on Monday, there is some good news. We have a front that's going to come in. It'll shift our winds to the northeast, and that's going to allow slightly drier air to move in. That means less humidity. But even then, the temperature will still be 93 degrees on Memorial Day. Then we're talking upper 80s middle part of next week, but also daily rain chances, although slim, to round out the month of May and to bring us right into June. High temperatures will be back into the 90s. Cleo. Ooh.